Hello guys, welcome to Humble Master. I am Ans Patel. Here we will discuss the topic origin of the earth. In the beginning, the earth was a blazing ball of fire. Look at it. Its structure is red hot.
Millions years ago, shrinkage started in it, and its outer part shrunk. After some time, Earth divided into two parts.
The outer part was called Panthalassa, and inner part was called Pangaea. Look at it. This is Panthalassa, the outer part, and this is Pangaea, the inner part of the earth.
After thousands of years, that Pangaea divided into two parts.
The northern part of Pangaea was called Angara land. Angara land or Laurasia, and the southern part was called Gondwana land. Or called Jammu Deep. See it, that is Laurasia और अंगारा लैंड एंड दैट इज गोंडवाना लैंड और इन दोनों के बीच टेथिस सी है. दिस इज इक्वेटर लाइन. दिस इज कॉल्ड नदर्न हेमिस्फेयर एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड सदर्न हेमिस्फेयर. एट प्रेजेंट जो कंट्रीज नदर्न हेमिस्फेयर में है वो अंगारा लैंड का पार्ट है एंड जो कंट्री सदर्न हेमिस्फेयर में है वो गोंडवाना लैंड का पार्ट है. इंडिया गोंडवाना लैंड का पार्ट था. ए पर ईयर 5 सेंटीमीटर मूव करते हुए कुछ करोड़ साल में नर्दर्न हेमिस्फेयर में आ गया. जब इंडिया लॉरेशिया की तरफ मूव करने लगा तो जो टेथिस सी था उसकी सरफेस धीरे धीरे ऊपर उठने लगी और आज वहाँ हिमालय पर्वत है. जब दो सरफेस का कन्वर्जन होता है तो उनके बीच के पार्ट का अपलिफ्टमेंट होने लगता है. दैट सेम कंसेप्ट अप्लाइड फॉर हिमालयन रेंज फॉर्मेशन.
The present form of continent did not receive the international recognition.
The scientist Wegener explains the continental drift theory. Evidence supporting Wegener's continental drift theory. First, the matching of continent like jigsaw fit. Jigsaw fit, a picture cutted in various pieces of different shapes that have to fit it together. Similarly, if we look at the shoreline of Africa and South America, if we joined them, they fitted to each other. This fit of Atlantic margin present by Edward Poland in 1964. Even sea shoreline of every continent. Madagascar seems to fit in Africa. South America seems to fit in Africa. Europe fitted in Africa. Greenland fitted in Europe. America fitted in Southern America and Africa. Every continent seems to fit in one another. So this formed the first evidence in support of Wegener's continental drift theory. Second evidence, rocks of same age. Scientists tested the rock by radiometric dating and they found the rock from the different continents correlate to each other. rock of 2000 million year ago of Brazil coast matches the rock of Western Africa, and the marine deposits in the region is same. So that is second evidence in support of this theory. Third evidence, tillite. Basically, tillite is the sedimentary rock formed from the deposits of glacier. Mostly it will find in colder region. After geological survey result, it will found in Antarctica, Australia, Falkland Island, Madagascar, India. This rock found in colder areas. It found in only Antarctica. That's clear means Gondwana land broken into 6 different land masses. Australia, India, Madagascar, Falkland Island, Antarctica and Africa. This tillite is found in all 6, but it is the rock of Antarctica. So scientists conclude the continent really drifted. This is third evidence support of continental drift theory. And fourth, distribution of fossils. Lemur is one such species that is very famous in Madagascar. But India में इसके अवशेष मिले हैं. It is said that lemur originated in Africa. This link Africa, Madagascar and India. And the skeleton of Mesosaurus found in Africa as well as South America. Again, that is reinforcing the fact that these two continents were once linked together. And fifth evidence, placer deposits. अफ्रीका की एक कंट्री है गाना. दिस इज गाना. इसके कोस्ट पे गोल्ड डिपॉजिट मिले एंड दे 100% मैच विद द गोल्ड डिपॉजिट फाउंड इन ब्राजील. आफ्टर स्टडी इट इज फाउंड दैट गाना इज नॉट एनी सोर्स रॉक ऑफ दीज डिपॉजिट्स. गाना इज लाइक कॉन्केव कर्व, ब्राजील इज लाइक कॉन्वेक्स कर्व. ये दोनों आपस में जुड़े होंगे एंड जो गोल्ड डिपॉजिट मिला है वो मेजरली ब्राजील का है. So this 5 evidence clearly explains that continent really drifted away. What this theory don't accepted by scientists. Why it is failed after proving everything correctly. Problem with the theory can't explain mechanism for movement of continents. And a second statement, fossil fuel deposits. So wind and ocean current has also capacity to move the fossils. This theory was not accepted by scientists. For defending his theory, Venegar gave 2 reasons. He said सन और मून ने अर्थ पे एक साथ ग्रेविटी लगाई होगी, इससे टाइडल फोर्स मैक्सिमम हुआ होगा, इसी वजह से पेंजिया ब्रेक हो गया और कुछ कंटिनेंट साउथ की तरफ मूव करने लगे. What scientist claims tidal force is not so strong to move the continent.
If so strong, then rotation of Earth affected.
And second reason he gives, pole filling force. There is a force due to which the continent forced to move towards pole. He itself could not explain it, so his theory is rejected. The scientist Harry S. explains the region of continent drift and gives his theory of plate tectonic. So we will discuss the plate tectonics in next lecture.